I'm Finn and welcome to the Wildcat Way. Today we're doing the shortest coast to coast walk in Scotland. Ardgay to Ullapool, otherwise known as the Ullapool 30. Before here there's a fork in the road where you can either take a more scenic route, it's a little more up and down. I found amazing puffball mushrooms and edibles along the way when I was scoping this route before. However, due to the length of the walk and the unevenness of the terrain, I've decided to take this side by the bridge. It's flatter and will hopefully stop my knees getting sore. The river's beautiful, so without further ado, let's get into it. Well, first major stop, it's a beauty. I'm here at the steps, the bridge just up there, and I think I'm going to take a good break. What a place to stop! Salmon fishing up here is supposed to be really good. I absolutely love it. But I thought I should let you see the stairs themselves. I thought I'd mention about the animal life out here. Farmland's just packed full of animals, you know. Lambs are coming out, and unfortunately for the frogs, there's frogs uncountable squished on the road, so there's definitely been high frog season about there. I was seeing a bit of spawn as well in the still water. Definitely going to come in a good bit of handy. I'm at Christchurch, boy! Up Croix and all. Pretty nice. Delighted to be here. Don't touch the croik. Croik na fuck it. Better not be giving me any more of that croik. This establishment's got croik. Mental croik. The ship's got a croik in it! Right here, man, who's got the croik now? Managed to reach my old campsite. The mountains way off in the back are really inspiring, and the deer in the plain. I'm also pretty sure there's ravens around. They just seem a bit bigger, a bit more guttural. There's a bit of carcass down here. I'm going to go inspect in a second. Well, this deer has certainly seen better days. There's a nice bit of hair on the back of it, but it's a bit too rotten, and the hair is just literally peeling off, so I think I'm going to pass on that. So I've got my tarp set up, I've repositioned the platform. I'm wanting to try and prevent the sparks from going near the tarp. And really, here I'm in the deer's house tonight. I don't want to create a fire and keep it burning all night. I just want to get my dinner cooked, get some heat, get some good morale, and just respect the environment that you're in.
Now you'll see after I ignite this jar cloth, I just take my time and stay relaxed, ensuring that I put my gear away and keep it safe so it doesn't get lost or burned, and just take my time.
Okay, I'm going to crack straight on with dinner. Some lovely medallion steaks here. Looks good. Let me get that on. As always, straight on the fire. No messing with.
My medallions are cooked. Real nice colour throughout. Smells fantastic.
Getting one of them bliss moments. this one's looking a bit fresher. Oh man, check that out, that is gorgeous. I believe I'm very close to the schoolhouse bothy, just right down there. Okay, I'm at the schoolhouse bothy. Am I delighted? You're damn right. Well, things just got a whole lot funner. There's a river crossing. Oh darn it! I'm gonna have to get down to my leggies. Ow! Yeah, that's a bit too deep for my boots, I think. Okay, challenge accepted.
Oh yes, that's fresh healing water.
Well lad, whew, that was fun. That sure breaks up the walking. I'm on the Rappic. What a place to be. Not damp bothy. Loving the fireplace. I'm going to come back here again with the family. It's like a 2-layer bothy. There's an upstairs. So we look at it from the outside. The supplies are looking good enough to get a nice fire going. I've got my flint and steel. I've been feathering up some shavings. I've been feathering up some shavings from this birch bark as well. I think it would be nice to get a fire going in this hearth before I leave. To be honest, I can't think of a better opportunity to cook my salmon. So, in it goes, my friends. Yeah, I'm just going to put it into this tub. Get the flavour of the sweet chili hummus as well, that would be nice. And then, oh goodness. I thought I might get a chance to use this. I've filled my water bottle up. I've got everything rocking pretty nice here. Well, that is about an hour or so later, and the horseshoe fungus is now absolutely tiny. Where the hell are you now, Finn? I'm all set up at Loch Ackle. I've had an absolutely amazing time. This has been just so cool. I couldn't resist, could I? One more fire. Last one for the road. I've gotten a really huge slab of rock here and put that as my platform, then built around it with other large ones and filled it in with little stones. Really nice, looks really pretty. Nice to get a wee cup of tea going at the end of the day. Dinner time and a nice cup of chamomile tea. Oh, yes. Ullapool, baby! Yes! Well, I'm Finn. This was the Ullapool 30. It's like 36.5 miles in 48 hours. I'm a happy man. Yes! You're watching the Wildcat Way. I've had an amazing time. So delighted to be here. Y'all take care of yourselves.